What's going on, guys? Throws on the block back again. I'm out here with the Rattle Regal, and today we're going to be installing some of this lens light repair. Alright, I picked this up at the parts store to take care of a temporary taillight issue that I have on the OG Regal. So this is what the current situation is. Tail lamp was busted out. Supposedly a moped hit this thing. And I'm going to use a couple of these to seal it up and just make it red until my replacement lamp comes in. And then once the replacement lamp's in, I'll take care of this bodywork and get this light swapped out to where it looks just as good as the driver's side. I'm going to set the camera up and we'll go ahead and get this stuff unpackaged and see what it does. So basically this is a self-adhesive film for temporary automotive lens repair. For best results, apply between 60 and 80 degrees to a clean, cool surface. Trim a 1-inch border around the damaged area. We don't quite have that, so we're going to get fancy there. See, remove backing paper, apply to lens. Be careful not to overlap on the painted surfaces. Smooth film outward, press firmly on edges. Allow 24 hours before washing. So they recommend that you have a 1-inch surface to bond the plastic, bond this film to. We have that right there, and that's it. Everything else is broken out, so that kind of sucks, but we'll see how good it is. There was looks like something was here at one point in time. It doesn't seem to have damaged the paint area. Not that this paint could, you'd be able to tell, but yeah. Anyway. Well, let's crack this open, and I got this, and I actually got a roll of tape too, in case I needed it, so we'll see what it takes to get this thing done. This is the tape, 1 7/8 inches by 1.5 yards. I'll use the snap blade for trimming around the light, just to trim things up a little bit. Probably a good idea to clean up your light fixture. This one's pretty nasty. I'm actually going to grab a mild degreaser just to wipe around there, get all that dirt that's in there out. Yeah, you can see we're not going for perfection here. This is just a temporary solution. And because this light's completely destroyed, there's not really a good bonding surface. So since there's not a good bonding surface and the light is basically completely destroyed, we're just going to work with what we got. Stuff looks kind of pinkish to me right out of the package. Stuff may not have been on here that long after all. I'm sure the UV is going to take a toll on this stuff just because the sun is very, very harsh on lights in general. So that doesn't quite cover the whole width back here. We're going to move up to the front, get this front covered, then we'll move to the back. Basically just like applying vinyl. So if you've seen any of my vinyl application videos, the process is basically the same. I'm no professional by any means, but I can get it on, and usually it sticks pretty good. So, all right. I bought 2 of these, I bought 3 total. But if I did this, we're still going to be short this little section here. So I'm going to get the tape out and run a section of tape along to make up the difference, and we'll put one more large piece in. I think generally speaking, if you have a repair, you're not going to have a repair of this size, so probably don't need this all that I have. It's quite overkill, but that was my particular situation, so that's where we are at. My little piece back here, we're just right on that very edge, I believe. Look here. Yeah, so I'm gonna get a little more overlap between the two pieces. I'll just come up through here. Now we'll apply our last piece. Now I will say this, these pieces are a lot more red than this. This looks kind of pink, so just something I noticed. Alright, that's the finished product. So yeah, that's the end result. It is red again. Pretty easy to use, peel and stick. I can't really complain about the application. So yeah, I give the lens light repair by Trim Bright 4 wrenches. I mean, yeah. The tape, I give it 3. The large patches, I give it 4. Tape is kind of pink. The large patches are more red, so you don't have that faded out look as soon as you apply the red film. So if you go to do a repair, my recommendation, just go and get the large patch. They're about the same in price, so that's my recommendation. That's gonna wrap it up for this video. My name's Erwin. This is Thrills in a Block. We're giving back time. It's taken away. We'll see you soon.